Hello guys, in this video we are gonna learn how to link CSS with HTML file. First of all, you need to write link tag in HTML head section, and then you need to select this option. It show that link with CSS. If we click this option, it will automatically link with CSS file. You can write it manually. If you don't have this code snipped, then you can write it manually, like link relation, rel means relation, then style sheet, then write href, that means hyper reference, and style sheet, press ok, and closing bracket angle, this way. Then here I am writing the h1 tag, just checking that HTML files and with CSS link perfectly. How to link HTML, writing these things, and I am going to the CSS file, writing the h1 selector, giving the curly braces, and write font family Arial, and giving font size 30 pixel, not 30 pixels, 40 pixel, and font weight bold, and text color, that means color blue. Now I am coming here again the HTML index.html file, and pressing the right button and opening with live server. Just wait. You can see the color is blue because here I am in HTML and CSS file. I am giving the color is blue, text color is blue, that's why it's blue color. This way you can link HTML with CSS file using Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching my video.